Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 8. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to conduct an English second paper class for the students of class 8. Let's see our today's topic. It is voice changing. Dear students, this is our lecture number 5 and homework number 5 also, voice changing. Already you have done two classes on the selected topic voice changing, and today I am also conducting a class on voice changing. So let's start our class. Look, here it is written class 8 subject English second paper voice changing and lecture number and homework. So look, change the following sentences into passive. Look, number 1, let's solve the math. Before writing the answer, dear students, I am telling you that today I have given here 6 examples, and these examples have been taken from our interrogative and imperative sentence. So look at the first one. This is an example of imperative sentence. So look, let's solve the math. So look at the instruction. It is change the following sentence into passive. Let's solve the math. We will write let, then the object. Object is the math. Let the math, then be, then the past participle form of the main verb, it is solve. Let the math be solved by us. By, it is us. I am telling again, let the math be solved by us. Here, okay, you will give here cross, nothing here. Next, who can give me another example? It is an example of interrogative sentence. Who can give me another example? So whenever in the beginning it will be who, we will take the help of by whom. By whom. Then the auxiliary verb, it is can. Object. By whom can. Object is another example. A-N-O-T-H-E-R. Another example. By whom can another example be given? Be given, it will be to me. I am telling again the answer. By whom can another example be given to me? Now, question number 3. Look at the pictures. Look, we will write like let, then the object. Let the pictures be looked at. Okay, here it will be question mark, not the learners, you will give a question mark. Okay. In 3 number, look at the pictures, let the pictures be looked at. Number 4, listen to the story again. Let the story be listened to again. Be listen, past participle form of the main verb. Let the story be listened to again. Let the story be listened to again. Last, question number 5 is, did you like Aesop's fables? Okay, did, past tense. Aesop's fables is the object. Okay, then on the basis of this we will take the help of was. As it was in past tense, was Aesop's fable. A-E-S-O, Aesop's fable. Was Aesop's fables light. Past participle of light is light by you. Question mark. Was Aesop's fables liked by you? Last questions. Who made this whole? As usual, whenever it will be who, we will take the help of by whom. By whom. Then as it was the verb on past tense, we will take help of auxiliary verb was. By whom was, then the object, this whole. By whom was this whole? Sorry, I am writing below properly. Okay. By whom was this whole? HOLE. By whom was this whole made? Question mark. So, dear students, I am telling you the answer again. Number 1 answer. Let the math be solved by us. 2 number. By whom can another example be given to me? Question mark. Mind it. Question number 3. Let the pictures be looked at. Question number 4. Let the story be listened to again. Question number 5. Was Aesop's fables liked by you? Question mark. Last questions and answer. By whom was this whole made? By whom was this whole made? Okay, look, our last attraction is homework, and change the following active sentences into passive. 6 sentences I have given, and you will pick up the sentence, and in the gap you will write answer and write the passive sentences. Dear students, I hope that this class will help you much to understand active to passive of interrogative and imperative sentence. And please do your homework. This homework will help you understand much. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.